guys, thanks for joining for a very small unboxing. I won't take too much of your time, and thanks for joining me. Right, my package from Canada finally came. And it came a lot quicker than I thought it would. Draper to help me. So I know what it is, I just wanted to share it with you. So it's just a short video. I'm still excited, I know what it is. Thought the packaging was anyway. You always get one of them, it's great. I hope that's an invoice and a receipt for you, Scott. Yeah. Keep that one. Instructions and the obligatory sticker. I love these stickers. They're really classy sticker. Right. Oh, it's another layer. Right, here we go. Take them out, put that down. And we have my 2 new plates for my brass carve. One I've always wanted. I wish I'd got this when I ordered my car, but obviously I didn't know about it. I hadn't used it. I wasn't sure of the aggression. But yeah, great thick plastic bags. It is, guys, if it'll focus. And it's the D plate. Looking forward to using this. Like I said on the last video, I've got some exciting shapes coming up. Very exciting shapes. New soaps, new razors, and I'm not talking about the ones that I bought either. Right, all intriguing. And there's the other plate. It's the open clone. Here we go. I haven't even had a drink. Maybe I should drink. Maybe I'd talk straight. I don't know. Right. These look beautiful. That is, I know you're going to think I'm sad, but that is art. That is absolutely beautiful. And it's the C plate for my brass carve, and I look forward to using these. I'm going to order roughly the same plates. I know I could use them on my stainless steel, but it wouldn't look right. It might do. I'll check it out. I'll see what they look like on the stainless steel handle. But if not, I'm going to roughly order the same plates for the stainless steel. Right, that's it. That's all it was, guys. It's just a short one. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget the 800 subscriber giveaway has to be on the last video, and it has to be hashtag 800. Numbers, not words. And yeah, so if you just tuned in and you're new to the channel, welcome. Subscribe and go back to the last video and enter the giveaway. Thanks, guys, that's all it was. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on Friday. Thanks, guys, bye now.